Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can edit your text messages on Telegram X. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post. Now, let's get started. First, open the Telegram X app on your phone. Then open the chat on which you want your message to be edited. You tap on it. Now if a mistake occurs while you're typing your message out, then you can simply tap on backspace and start retyping it. However, if you've already sent it, you can edit it using this simple method. First, tap on the message that you would like to edit. Then you can see the edit option on the fourth of the list. You tap on it and then you can simply retype it. If you're done editing, you tap on the tick mark, and then your message will be sent. After your message has been edited, the message will show a pencil icon below the text in the chat bubble, and that's how you can know your text has been edited. Another way you can edit your text is to long press on your text, and on the top of your screen you can see a pencil icon. Again, tap on it, and then it's the same process. However, if you've mistakenly selected the wrong message, then you simply tap on the cross icon that appears on the left side of the message you're trying to edit. After that, it will go back to normal, and then you can select the text you want to edit. I hope this video was useful, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments down below.